OpenAI just released something that changes the math for every solo operator. ChatGPT Workspace Agents just went live, and this is not another chatbot upgrade. This is a tool that builds automated agents for you. Those agents connect to tools your clients already use. They run on a schedule and deliver outputs without you touching them. If you run a service business right now, this release deserves your full attention. Hey everyone, Paul James here. I help freelancers and solo operators build lean service businesses using free and low-cost AI tools. No big team required, just leverage. Stick around because there is a real money angle buried inside this one. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is the thing most people never stop to think about. The most expensive part of running a service business is not the creative work. It is not the strategy. It is the coordination layer, the repetitive tasks that happen on the same schedule every week. Someone pulls last week's data. Someone routes the incoming requests. Someone formats the report and drops it in the right channel. That work takes hours. And for a solo operator, those hours are brutal. There is nobody else to hand them to. That is the problem OpenAI built ChatGPT Workspace Agents to solve. You describe what your recurring workflow looks like. The builder walks you through connecting your tools, setting the schedule, and choosing where the output lands. It works with Google Calendar, Google Drive, and Slack. Need more than the defaults? You can bring in custom connections through MCP servers. Those servers let you plug in tools beyond what comes built in. Once you publish the agent, it runs on its own. It delivers the output on whatever cadence you set, and it drops everything inside the channels where work is already happening. That is the foundation of what I am calling the invisible workforce framework. Here's the core idea. Most solo operators are the doer and the designer at the same time. That is the ceiling. The framework breaks that. You identify which recurring tasks follow a repeatable pattern, and you build an agent to handle them. You become the designer and overseer. The agent handles the routine. That shift, from doing the work to managing the system, is everything. It separates operators who scale from operators who grind. Now look, the invisible workforce framework does not apply to every task. ChatGPT Workspace Agents works best in a specific shape. The work has to repeat on a schedule. The output needs to be something a person can evaluate quickly. The steps need to fit inside a clear, short description. And the workflow should cross at least 2 tools that previously needed manual coordination. Hit those conditions and you have a build worth making. And honestly, that shape covers more local business workflows than most people realize. Here is where things get wild. You do not need a developer to build one of these. You open the agent section inside ChatGPT. You describe what you want the agent to handle. The builder generates the profile and instructions for you. It also suggests which tools to connect and previews the output before anything goes live. You connect the tools, review the settings, set the schedule, and publish. It runs from there on whatever cadence you set automatically, and you can start from a template if you want a head start. OpenAI includes examples for recurring workflows like weekly reporting, ticket routing, and lead outreach, and here is the part that locks it in. The agent shows up inside Slack, right where decisions already get made. It is not sitting in a separate tab. It is part of the actual workflow. Most people never realize this part. Earlier automation attempts failed for most small teams for one reason. That reason had almost nothing to do with the technology. The tool worked fine. People just stopped opening it because it lived one click away from where real work happened. ChatGPT Workspace Agents delivers output right into the channels where your team already operates. That is the difference between something teams rely on and something they quietly abandon. I remember when I first started trying to build systems. I was living in my brother's garage, going to school full-time. I was trying to make something work with almost nothing behind me. Every tool I found either cost too much or required skills I had not built yet. ChatGPT Workspace Agents is exactly the kind of leverage I needed back then. Let me talk money, because this is where the invisible workforce framework earns its name. The most direct opportunity is offering done-for-you agent setup as a service to local business owners. Think about a small insurance agency processing 30 inbound inquiries every week. Someone on that team reviews each inquiry, checks the CRM, and writes a summary. You build a ChatGPT Workspace agent that handles all of that. It pulls each inquiry, checks the contact record, and drafts a brief. Then it posts that brief to the team channel automatically every time, no manual effort. That is a real deliverable. You charge a setup fee and hold a monthly optimization retainer. Run that model across 4 or 5 clients and the income math gets genuinely interesting. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. The invisible workforce framework is repeatable by design. You build the core logic once. You adapt it for each new client. Your setup time shortens with every build, the retainer stacks. Your clients feel like they have a full back office without the cost of an actual hire. That is the value proposition, and local business owners understand it immediately. Property managers, real estate teams, small marketing agencies, they all have the same problem. 2 or 3 recurring workflows eat hours every week, and each one produces the same predictable output on the same schedule every time. A weekly client performance digest, a morning summary of incoming tickets grouped by priority, a Friday wrap-up of customer feedback pulled from multiple platforms. Every one of those is an invisible workforce framework build. Everyone is a retainer conversation waiting to happen. And you do not need a single line of code to pitch or deliver any of it. Here is something else worth knowing before you go pitch this. The governance piece of ChatGPT Workspace Agents is a real selling point. A lot of business owners are cautious about AI touching their operational data. OpenAI built admin controls in from the start. Whoever manages the workspace decides who can build agents and which tools they can access. Certain actions require a human to approve before anything gets executed. You are not just selling an automation, you are selling a managed, auditable system they can trust near real business data. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Let me give you a concrete picture of what this looks like. Picture a freelance consultant managing 5 small e-commerce brands. Every Friday, each client expects a weekly wrap-up, ad performance highlights, top support themes, and a short priority list for the week ahead. Before ChatGPT Workspace Agents, that consultant spent every Friday morning in the same grind, pulling data from multiple platforms. Formatting 5 separate reports, dropping them into client channels one by one, 4 or 5 hours every single week. Now, actually, let me back up for a second here. The Invisible Workforce Framework changes this entirely. The consultant builds one agent, they adapt it per client, connect the tools, and schedule each one for Thursday night. Friday morning, 5 clean reports are waiting. The consultant reviews, makes light edits, and sends. Clients see no difference in the output. The consultant just got their Friday mornings back and a story to tell the next 5 prospects. Think about what that story is worth in a sales conversation. I used to spend 5 hours on this every week. Now it runs itself and I review it in 20 minutes. One timing note worth flagging. OpenAI has ChatGPT Workspace Agents available at no extra cost during their early access period. Per-use pricing is coming soon. If you want to test this before billing starts, build something this week. Run it for a few days. Measure whether it saves time against the manual process you had before. That real-world comparison is where you find out if the build is worth scaling. Stay with me because this is the whole point. The coordination layer of your service business is now delegatable. The repeating multi-tool work that eats your mornings. You can hand that to an agent. Build it in an afternoon. Let it run in the background. Show up to review the output. The freelancers who master that model first will have a real edge. The rest play catch-up. Imagine your next 60 days with 2 or 3 ChatGPT Workspace agents running for paying clients. Reports go out on schedule without you touching them. Recurring summaries land in the right channels automatically. The coordination work that used to fill your mornings moves into the background. Your hours go toward building the next system or landing the next client. And here is the thing about that compounding effect. Every new agent you build teaches you something. Every new client makes the next build faster, and your clients keep paying because the invisible workforce never calls in sick. That is what the Invisible Workforce Framework is built to create. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.